Hi, in this video we're going to use a number machine, also known as a function machine, and we're going to find a missing operation in one of your function machines. But specifically here, we're involving algebraic expressions. This 2q minus 6 is an algebraic expression because it's involving variables, it's involving letters, right? And we want to work out what is this missing thing here in this box. And thankfully it's multiple choice. Now, we've got the output here, it's 2q minus 6. So maybe we should work backwards to see what we would have just before that second box there, that second function machine. So you need to think what multiplied by 2 would give you 2q minus 6. So the way we can work backwards is just to do the opposite of that times 2. So we divide by 2 to go backwards. So the 2q minus 6, if we divide it by 2, we would get back to what we had before that function machine. So that we're going to do that. We're going to do 2q minus 6, and we're going to divide it by 2. We can write it as a fraction like that. Now, if we want to divide this by 2, this numerator here, we can just divide each of these two terms by the 2. So what is 2q divided by 2? Well, the 2 divided by 2 just cancels. We're just left with the q. So we get q. And then we're going to do this second term bit, the minus 6, and we're going to divide it by the 2. What's negative 6 divided by 2? Well, 6 divided by 2 is 3, but negative divided by positive is negative. So therefore, it's going to be minus 3. So there we go. Half of 2q minus 6 is q minus 6. Q minus 3, sorry. We halve the 2q and we halve the minus 6. So this thing just before it is q minus 3. And then we've got to think, okay, if you had q and you did something to it and you end up with q minus 3 here, what have you done to it? Well, you've just subtracted 3, haven't you? If you had q and you subtracted 3 from it, you would have q minus 3, right? It matches that. So the correct answer, therefore, has got to be the minus 3 here. So that's the final answer.